They want to talk to you. They want to open up and express to you how much you really mean to them, because this person sees you as wife material, or they see you as, you know, husband material. They want this to work, but they have to make the effort to approach you. That's why I said, some of y'all, I would not be surprised if I find out by the end of this month, y'all got a pop-up, okay? Because somebody messed up so bad that they're coming back to ring somebody's doorbell, knock on the door, okay? Open up. I know you're there. I see your car. I see your blinds open. But if y'all like me, I don't open doors. I don't care. I be in here jamming my music. I mean, blasting music to it like an ignorant level. And I don't care. I'm not opening now. So, hey, but that's just me. Anyway, let's hop in. Let's see what's going on. Okay, Spirit, what's going on with my Cancers, please? All right, bottom of the deck. Oh my God. It's the Empress. I can't make this up, Cancer. Somebody wants to have a new beginning with you. Oh my gosh. Y'all ready? Buckle your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. This is about to get real interesting. Let's see. Some of you could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this person, whoever it is that wants to come back and make things right with you, they're still having a hard time opening up, which is why I'm saying make the effort, because they need to come back and speak their truth to you. This person hides how they feel, but they are very emotional right now because they want things to work with you. See, they want to balance things out, but see, they were also balancing things out with someone else, and that's the problem. They were giving to someone else. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Tell me about the Queen of Wands. You guys are coming up like the Queen of Wands. This person looks at you like a blessing. They want you in their life. And this is why right now they're trying to clear away obstacles in order to be with you. Tell me more. But they're feeling like at this point you're not going to accept their cup of love. Yeah, they messed up. The Hierophant, I'm telling you. Some of you could be dealing with the Taurus, but this person wants a commitment with you. They see marriage. I can't make that up. But there's the Queen of Pentacles reverse. It's like, I'm already seeing 3 people here. I'm telling you, there's definitely some type of third-party situation that took place. But this person feels like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Let's see. This is why things weren't balanced between the two of you. And this is why they're losing hope. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yep, but they know who they want to be with. They're just still taking their time coming towards you because, see, in the past, yeah, they were being a player, that in and out energy with you. But I feel like they want to rush in to speak their truth, but they're still taking their time because they feel like you're going to reject them. You're going to reject this offer, and they don't have a peace of mind with that or about that. It's like they're struggling. See how I'm struggling to talk? They're struggling trying to come to you, okay? This is real. I'm stumbling over my words. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But yeah, I told you, they don't have the strength to come to you right now. But yeah, Spirit is saying they're learning their lessons. Lesson has been learned, and they're going to be moving forward. But right now, they're just not positive. They're not positive. They don't know if you're going to take them back. Oh, that was really creepy. How that flipped back over, but okay. See, they want to have a victory with you. Oh, come on, Spirit. So they want to have a victory with you. They definitely want things to improve with you. I feel like they want things to improve financially speaking. They want to have a stable life with you, but I'm telling you, whoever they were entertaining, whether it's friends, family, love interests, it's like this person is still lingering. They're still holding on, and that's an issue. They're going to have to break free from that. See, a decision is going to be made. They do not want you to walk away, Cancer. Everyone. Yep, they're getting ready to pick up the pace. I'm telling you, decisions. I'm seeing decisions. They're getting ready to move fast. Didn't I tell y'all? There's a holiday tomorrow, okay? maybe even Valentine's Day. Oh, this gonna be good. Back and forth about Nine of Swords. See, they're trying their best not to be frustrated, but they are. This person is in their head. They're worried that it's too late. See, because at one point they feel like they lost you for good. Now they're coming out of that energy. See, they're making plans. I can't, honestly, when I saw this card, I'm hearing making plans like they're physically coming to you. Somebody's going to get a pop-up. If they don't pop up, it could be they'll reach out to you and say, hey, you know, do you want to go out, grab something to eat? You know, they know y'all like to eat. You know what I'm saying? Food. We gonna turn that down? But anyway, so they're gonna try to like win you over. For some of them, they can be like, hey, I'm coming into your town. If you guys live at a distance, it's something here. They're making plans to come and see you. I mean, I cannot make this up. The Empress jumped out because they want to have a new beginning with you. See, look at this. 3 of Wands. This person wants to start over with you. They want to build with you. Oh. I didn't even see the 4th card. Okay, hold on. They want to build with you. You are their soulmate. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here, but this person definitely wants a relationship with you. They do want a commitment with you, but Spirit is saying right now they're keeping what they want with you to themselves. They're keeping quiet, and they're not taking a leap until they get out of some type of toxic situation that they put themselves in. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody also could be dealing with the Libra. See, they're going to come and speak their truth to you, Cancer, but somebody's trying to get out of something. Tell me more. See, they were feeling stuck in a situation. They're freeing themselves. This was a lesson for them. This was their lesson. That's why it's like you guys had to back away. You had to let them go through their karma. Now they're realizing once you shut the door, like, oh my God, like I'm about to lose him or her. I need to get out of the situation and make things right. Now they're sitting back thinking, reflecting on everything. I can't make this up. This person went through a transformation. They're going through changes. I can't make this up. I can't. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Spirit, we're not going to be flipping cards funny like that, okay? Back and forth with, okay, Ace of Wands and the 8 of Wands. So, 1 minute, they want to communicate that they want to have a new beginning with you. But the next minute, because they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you, this is why you're not hearing from them. See? They're having a hard time. I feel like that's them still battling themselves. You know, it's a lot of conflict, mental conflict within themselves that they're having about reaching out, you know, speaking their truth. But I am also picking up on this energy that they're having a hard time right now because whoever they're dealing with, they're going through it right now. There's a lot of arguments, a lot of like, I'm not physical fighting. I'm not picking up on anything physical, but fighting like with their words, you know, a lot of disagreements, you know, taking place. Let them go through that. See, there's the Emperor. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. See, I was just about to say this, talking about this whole fighting thing. Whoever they were dealing with, like I said, whether it's friends, family, love interest, this situation was very toxic. It was very controlling. I feel like your person had a lot of like ego with them, you know, a lot of pride, and it was their way or their way, you know, and so they didn't want to see the truth. You had to let them see it for themselves, and now that's why they're fighting themselves, but also going at it with someone else, you know, because now they're realizing that they were being sneaky. Somebody's definitely dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but see, this person is somebody. Ooh, another king tried to jump out. See what I'm saying? Third party energy. But I feel like this person, they know what they want, who they want. They're getting ready to take action. Somebody's coming. Look at that. Because they're finally listening to their intuition. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer. But I'm feeling like right now, they're not moving forward with you just yet. Because they're trying to make sure, financially speaking, they're going to be okay. Tell me more. You see how the Emperor and the Empress just lined up like that? This is y'all person hands down, but they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you because of whatever they're in, you know? And it's like 1 minute, the way the Knight of Swords came out, it's like they want to rush in, but the next minute they're thinking about everything that they've said to you, everything that they have done. You know, they said a lot of nasty things to you guys, and this is the issue. Because, see, they know that they're going to have to work really, really, really hard to win you back, but some of them they have to get out of some type of family situation. But they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have anything with you. See, they're afraid things may not improve because they let you go. And now they're afraid if they come back, you guys are going to drop them. So they need to get over that. They need to grab their balls, okay? Man or woman. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, so I feel like at this point, yeah, they're afraid that the seeds that they planted with you, nothing's going to come out of it. But you are going to get the offer that you deserve from them. It's going to happen. The Tower. Ooh, was there a shakeup? Clarify the Tower. Because they're taking too long to make a move. So let's see. Clarify the Tower. The truth came out. And they know that they hurt you. Somebody's dealing with a water sign. Again, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Back and forth about. See what I'm saying? The truth came out. They were entertaining you and someone else. And they're not happy. Somebody could have been dealing with a, I almost said a Libra. Wow. Okay. Somebody could have definitely been dealing with a Libra, but trying to say air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Yeah, somebody was juggling. And now the truth is coming out. Tell me more. See, I cannot. Third party situation. This is like you were left out in the cold. You know, I feel like you guys have been healing, but this is definitely something that took place in the past. I feel like this is like a past person family situation. Now this person isn't confident if you're going to take them back, but they're going to come back and offer an apology. Tell me more. You deserve that. They just don't know what to do. This person definitely had other options, but I'm saying they want to balance things out. Somebody's dealing with a Sagittarius, but I'm telling you, they want to give you an offer of a commitment here. This person does love you. But see, they got to remove themselves from a third-party situation. But they're still hesitating because, again, they stabbed you in the back. Now, I'm telling y'all, they're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Alright, so I'm seeing here that this person will make a decision. Yeah, they don't want you waiting anymore. They're getting ready to come back, see? Because they want a happy home with you. But right now, they're just keeping a close eye on you, Cancer. Yeah, there is some type of home or family situation involved here. I feel like they want stability with you. You are going to get an offer from them.